These smell so good. They're like brand new and fresh. And the way they bend, they're very, very flexible. Very good for all types of water. And like I said before, I really love how they tighten like this. You can just pull it up. And then in the backs, you have these things to help you put your foot in the shoe and even taking them out of the shoe. And they are just very, very, very comfortable. I highly recommend this brand, the NORTIV V8 brand. They smell really good. And you just put this in your hand and pull it back. Put it in. Pull this. Wow. And they fit my feet perfectly. The gripping is nice. And you can tighten this part in case they're too loose. So we're gonna try these out in the water. They're actually still very comfortable. You get a bunch of water inside, but it's like not like your normal water shoes. You can like even go swimming in these. And the grip is like really good. You're not worrying about slipping or falling. Still gotta be careful though. But like, I love to watch these things bend. Like, look at this. And if you, like I said before, if you want to tighten them, there's a little Velcro thing too. So you just put it on there and you can tighten them more to fit them to your feet, to your liking. Tighten it more. Wow. The water feels so good on my feet, and I can finally like go like that. These shoes are super comfortable in the water. Super, super comfortable. You can even climb on a rock. Probably even take these babies hiking. Who knows? And go in the water. Wow. So that is what they are like in the water. You can do them in the ocean, anything you want. Hi, so today I will be reviewing the NORTIV V8 water shoes. Feet are a little dirty. So the thing that I like the most about these shoes is how they have like a little thing that you can grab onto to put your feet in better. Very easy to slip into. And if you want to tighten them, there's this thing right here to tighten them, to make your feet feel more secure in them. They also have really, really good gripping, like so you won't have to worry about falling or slipping in the water. And then really comfy just in general. The backs are very nice. You can even probably jump in them like that. And you can tighten them again, adjust them to your comfort level. You can even pull these up. That. And I would say the thing I like the most about these is just they're very comfortable, and also I don't know what else to say. They fit my feet very well. You can bend them easily. They're very flexible. And I love like walking in them. It's very easy. You can run in place in them. And I just highly recommend these. They're awesome. And there you go. Okay, so today I will be trying on NORTIV water shoes. My feet are dirty a little bit. Wow, they are like really easy to fit into. Fit my feet very good. Perfectly. Wow, they are extremely comfortable. Look at that. And the gripping is so nice. I won't have to worry about falling in the water. That's a good thing. The gripping is really good. You can see. And the side, really good. I can like jump in them if I wanted to. Wow. These will also be like really good for the beach too, like in the ocean or lakes. These are just really awesome. I really like this. How there's also this little thing to help you put your feet in the shoe. Makes it a lot easier. And then you can tighten this using this. That's nice. Overall, these are probably some of the best water shoes I've ever had. The backs are nice. They don't really like rub up against the back of my foot. And they're super, super easy to take off. Very easy.